Hi everyone, I hope all of you having a good time with your friends and family. Today in this lesson, I'll talk about 45 commonly used and mispronounced words. If you are very much interested to improve your pronunciation and want to speak English fluently as well as confidently, then please stick with me till the end of the video and improve your pronunciation. Okay, with no more further ado, let's begin the main session. When you have a good pronunciation skill, then you will be able to speak more confidently. So that is why we need to pay attention on our pronunciation. Today we'll learn 45 mispronounced words. Okay, let's see the first one. The first one is picture. Don't say picture, try to say picture, picture. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Picture, picture. It's a visual representation of something. The next one is comfortable. Don't say comfortable, try to say comfortable, comfortable. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Comfortable, comfortable. It means providing physical ease and relaxation. The next one is asthma. Don't say asthma, try to say asthma. Listen carefully. Asthma, asthma. It means a lung disease. The next one is handkerchief. Listen carefully. Handkerchief. Don't say handkerchief, try to say handkerchief, handkerchief. It's a piece of cloth used for personal purposes. Okay, the next one is automobile. Don't say automobile, try to say automobile, automobile. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Automobile, automobile. It means a passenger vehicle designed for operation on ordinary roads. The next one is desert. Don't say desert, say desert, desert. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Desert, desert. It's an area covered with rock and sands. The next one is almond. Don't say almond, try to say almond, almond, almond. Listen carefully. Almond. It's the edible walnut with a hard shell. And next one is police. Don't say police, say police, police. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Police, police. The body of officers representing the civil authority of the government. They are called police. The next one is tomorrow. Don't say tomorrow, say tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Tomorrow, tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day after today. The next one is Wednesday. Don't say Wednesday, try to say Wednesday. Listen carefully. Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday is the day of the week before the Thursday. The next one is especially. Don't say especially, say especially. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Especially, especially, especially. This word is used when mentioning important or relevant conditions. The next one is cupboard. Don't say cupboard, say cupboard, cupboard. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Cupboard, cupboard. Cupboard is a piece of furniture or a space where you store things. Another one is definitely. Don't say definitely, say definitely, definitely. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Definitely, definitely. It means without doubt. The next one is cash. Don't say case, say cash. Listen carefully. Cash. Then repeat after me. Cash, cash. Cash refers to a thing that is hidden or stored somewhere. The next one is prestigious. Don't say prestigious, say prestigious. Prestigious. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Prestigious. Prestigious. It means very much respected or admired. The next one is onion. Don't say onion, say onion. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Onion. 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 An onion is a swollen edible bulb used as a vegetable. The next one is buffet. Don't say buffet. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Buffet. 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 This means a meal consisting of several dishes from which guests serve themselves. The next one is iron. Don't say iron. Try to say iron. Iron. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Iron. Iron. It's a silvery white hard metallic element. The next one is nuclear. Don't say nuclear, say nuclear. 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 Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Nuclear. Nuclear. Nuclear related to the nuclei of the atoms. The last one is debris. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Debris. Don't say debris, say debris. 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 It means broken pieces left after fire or accident. Okay, this is the end of today's session. The remaining part will be discussed in the next video. I hope all of you enjoyed the video and learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well as give us a thumbs up. Thank you all for your patient hearing. Stay blessed.